This station is called what? So what is a weather station? What do you know about a weather station? What is a weather station?
A weather station is a place where weather instruments are made and recorded.
Okay, we find there weather instruments used for recording and observing weather elements. And we are going to look at those weather elements. What are those weather elements we are talking about? Yes? Weather instruments, barometer. What does a barometer do? Air pressure, yes. You want an instrument and what it does. Instrument, yes. Rain gauge, what does it do? Okay, very fast, let's do in summary, and then we go through all those. We look at the instrument, the element of that, the weather parameter or the instrument which is measured by that instrument, and then the units in which those instruments are, in which they are measured or recorded. But first, let's know where we are standing. Where we are standing are the premises of Ministry of Water and Environment. This is the place for Ministry of Water and Environment. Some other offices are in Luzira, but some others stay here. So we can look at the neighboring places where we are standing. So we have Lake Victoria down. You can see an overview of it. Then up there where we were, that is the office, the meteorological offices. We have also the school, meteorological school. In future, if you want to study and be part of the meteorological staffs, the school is there for you. After senior 4, after senior 6, you can come and enroll. Then we have a laboratory. This one is under construction, then the one is behind. So that is where those people want to start water bottling companies, like what you are taking now. They bring their samples, they are tested here, and then they are allowed to start. And then this side is where you're seeing the bush, that is the extent of the zoo. But you not enter from here. You have to go the other side, enter through the main gate and end, but all this is part of the zoo. So that is what neighboring us. Then up there we also have an organization. It's an NGO, a non-government organization. It's called Nile Basin Initiative. Chekitongole ekivunaanyizibwa ku River Nile, where it starts from and where it ends. So whatever takes place there, that's the organization that is looking at that. So before we tackle our weather station or what is in a weather station and we start about weather, I wanted you to know where you're standing. So when you're standing like this, those who are facing up, that is our north. So you can look at the enclosure. This is our instruments. That's where they are found. And then outside there are some others. So we shall look at all those. So if you see one that you don't know, please you ask. We should not leave here without knowing any of these. We don't have much time, but we shall use summary form to make sure that we tackle everything and you understand. So let's look at weather. We have already defined weather. You know what weather is. What is climate? Because those two go in hand. They go together. What is climate? Peace.
Climate is the average weather condition of a place recorded at a long time.
Recorded for a long period of time, and then in weather we have looked at the key term as a short period of time. I'm happy that I'm teaching a bright class so we can move together very fast. So let's look at some of these elements of weather. When I talk about elements of weather, what do I mean? These are things that make up weather. Weather elements are the things that define weather. Weather is not defined by one thing. You cannot come here and say, today's weather, maybe the weather is sunny. There is something behind being sunny. There are a lot of things that are collected, gathered together to know that it is sunny, it is windy, it is cloud and so on. So we are going to look at the first element as temperature. What is temperature? We said temperature is the degree of measure of hotness or coldness of matter. I don't want you to say of an object. I don't want you to say of a place, because that's why I'm using the word matter.